and you're coming around this bend and someone's coming down the Manhattan Bridge at a high speed, and there could be a collision. And up at this point it starts to get a little bit more normal, but that's the current state of the Manhattan Bridge. Oh, and down below you can see the Noah Budnick Highway, and it looks like they made some attempt to clean it, but it looks like there's a lot of slush and ice. It would have been great if they started that a couple days ago on Sunday, and you'd have less slush and ice forming there. Take care.